What if I told you there's one problem in current LLMs that if you cracked it, all four AI giants would fight over hiring you tomorrow? I'll also show you the current workarounds, the two tricks people are already using to dodge it, and why neither one actually fixes it. But first, let's get the problem straight, because most people online explain it wrong. Here's a problem worth 4 blank checks. OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, Meta, whichever one of them actually fixes this gets to write their own price. They've been stuck on it for 5 years. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly why more information makes modern AI models worse, why no engineering teams can just patch it, and the two real tricks being used right now to work around it. One that pre-filters what the model sees, and one that summarizes in layers before the model ever reads it fully. Here's the problem itself. The more you feed these models, the dumber they get. Everything you give a model, a PDF, a prompt, instructions, lands in its context window. Basically, it's short-term memory. The engine underneath, the transformer, works by having every word pay attention to every other word. That attention is a fixed budget. Pour in more words, and that budget gets split thinner across all of them. Picture a spotlight, tight and bright on one thing, then stretched thin over 1,000 things. Same bulb, way less light per spot. That thinning is what's called context rot. You've probably seen companies prove their huge context window with a needle in a haystack test. Bury one odd line in a wall of text, ask the model to find it, and it does. That's a cheap trick. It only tests word matching, not thinking. Real thinking shows up when the answer isn't in one spot, but has to be pieced together from 2 or 3 scattered places. Multi-hop reasoning. And that's exactly where these models fall apart. There's a second flaw stacked on this. During training, models get the clearest signal from the start and end of a document, because that's usually where the important stuff sits in normal writing. The middle teaches it less. So the model develops a U-shaped habit. Strong grip at the start, strong grip at the end, soft and forgetful in the middle. That's lost in the middle, not a glitch, a habit it never unlearned. Since you can't patch it, here's how people manage it. RAG. Instead of dumping the whole document in, you pull only the pieces that match the question. Less crowd, more attention each. Recursive language models, 2026's sharper fix. Break the document into pieces, summarize each one, then stack those summaries in layers until it collapses into one clean answer. You're not throwing the crowd at the model. You're sorting it before it walks in. So next time a company brags about a 1,000,000 token context window, ask the real question. Can it find the needle? Sure, but can it still get the answer right when the fact you need is buried in the middle?